I hand-pollinated my pawpaw tree last year and got 5 fruits. This year, I'm doing it again. Here's exactly how I did it. If your pawpaw tree flowers but never fruits, this is probably why, and how to fix it. Pawpaw flowers don't always pollinate on their own. The male and female parts mature at different times. Flowers open as female first, then later turn male. That's why sometimes they need hand pollination because the flowers aren't always in the right stage at the same time. And natural pollinators aren't very reliable. Inside the flowers, you have the female part, the stigma, and the male part, the anthers. During the female stage, the stigma, which is the female part, is receptive when it is green, swollen, glossy, sticky, glistening, or wet-looking. As you can see here, the stigma is ready to receive pollen from a different variety. During the male stage, the anther, which is the male part of the flower, changes its color as the flower ages from green to brown and release pollen. The individual pollen grains themselves are beige colored. The anther ball will feel loose and friable that crumble easily when touched. Pawpaws rely on flies and beetles for pollination, which can be inefficient or unreliable. Pawpaw flowers smell unusual on purpose. They attract flies and beetles to help pollinate the flowers. See here, you can see some flies around the flower. I'm using pollen from my Susquehanna pawpaw and transferring it to my mango pawpaw, and also doing the reverse. When the stigma is ready, you need to bring pollen from another flower. Last year, I only had enough overlapping flowers to pollinate the mango pawpaw using pollen from Susquehanna. But by the time the mango flowers opened, most of the Susquehanna flowers had already turned male. I did this exact method last year and ended up harvesting 5 pawpaw fruits. So it definitely works. Now, we'll wait and see how many fruits set this year. Hopefully, they will turn into fruits. I'll update you soon, so make sure to follow. If you have a pawpaw tree, try this before it's too late. Thank you for watching. Bye.